We are here in Greece doing the Acropolis tour. The Ausländer. The Acropolis is right in the heart of Athens. Athens is named after the god Athena. She is the god of wisdom and war. The drive from the airport to the Acropolis takes about 45 minutes. I think it takes about an hour, but the Greeks are speed demons. We are at the meeting point at this yogurt bar. Our tour guide's name was Vicky. She is Greek and an archaeologist. The tour was 50 euros a person. Included was a 10-euro ticket to get into the Acropolis. Our tour was scheduled for 1.5 hours, but it ended up being 2, and soon you'll see why. We're heading toward the temple of Dionysys, my favorite Greek god of wine, and the theater.
I want to be honest with you. Original is the Parthenon. And the limestone was used, it was something that was used to reflect the voice of the actors and create the acoustics. Okay, it's all made of limestone, but the first row, look at the first row, it's not limestone.
You see the passion our tour guide Vicky had. She kept that energy up for 2 hours. We're walking up to the temple of Asclepius, the Greek god of medicine. He was an actual human, but Zeus, fearing that Asclepius might make all men immortal, decided to turn him into a demigod, and so Asclepius had to serve under some other god.
The first doctor of Greek mythology. Okay, the first doctor.
Asclepius was seen carrying this staff with the snake coiled around it. This is also the logo of the American Medical Association. This is the Greek concert hall, and in the summer they actually hold real concerts there. This couple right here, like every 2 minutes, trying to take this amazing Instagram shot. Like nobody gives a fuck. Just fucking enjoy the tour. Why you gotta take a picture every 2 minutes? Like I understand taking a picture once in a while, but like the whole tour they're trying to take these amazing pictures. Like knock that shit off. I'm walking up the stairs to the Proplyaea, which is the entryway to the Parthenon. Those white patches on the Parthenon is part of the restoration project. Believe it or not, this thing is old and it's falling apart. Nice. The last part of the tour is the Temple of Athena and Nike. This is the area where the Greeks did all the worshiping. They also sacrificed animals and they had lavish parties here. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching the Acropolis tour in Greece. And as the Greeks say, yes, ass.